Now the last map that I would like to show you is Google Earth, because Google Earth has some features that other maps do not have. For example, you can see different satellite images that were taken in different period of times, and you can select what information you would like to see on the map. So to download Google Earth, all you have to do is just to go to the link that you'll find in the resources of this lecture, and then you want to scroll down and then click on Download Earth Pro on desktop, and then I'm going to say accept and download, and then I'm going to run the file that I have downloaded and click on yes, and then I'm going to say close. And to run Google Earth, all you have to do is just to click on this Windows icon and then search for Google Earth, this one, and then I'm going to select it, and this will launch Google Earth. So first of all, if you would like to search for a city, all you have to do just to go to this search bar and then search for Cologne, for example, in Germany. And this will take you to the city. And similar to Google Maps, you can click on this little person to view street images. And on the bottom left side of the program, you can find some layers that you can select from. For example, if you would like to see 3D buildings, or if you would like, for example, to check the weather or not, or if you would like to find the roads, you can select places. You can also select photos to see photos taken from different places. So let me zoom in. And here we have a bridge. I can click on the photo and see how this looks like. On the top menu, we can see an option to view this on Google Earth on web, or you can open this on Google Maps, or you can save this image, print it, or send it as an email. We can also see an option to view the ruler, so I can click on it and select, for example, an area or a street that I would like to measure. For example, I would like to see how many meters is this bridge, like this, and this will show me that it's 0.39 kilometers. I can change the value to inches, feet, etc. We can also see an option that will show us the sunlight across the area that we are searching for. So I can click on this and zoom out, and then I can change the period of time to see when is the sunset or the sunrise, for example. And right now we can see that at 4 o'clock and 29 minutes, we can see that it's a little bit dark in Germany. So I can change this if I would like to. And the coolest feature that other maps do not have is that you can select different satellite images from different periods of time. So I can click on this, and we can see that this image were taken in June 2024. I can click on this back arrow to see the previous one. And this one was taken in May 2023, for example. So let me zoom in just to show you the difference. And now I'm going to select another satellite image. As you can see, it's a little bit different. So here we have a ship. Let's see if it's going to stay here. And now it's gone, etc. So I think this is very cool that other maps do not provide, which might help you to find changes in a specific area. Now, another thing that I really like about Google Earth is that you can import an OSM file from OpenStreetMap. So let's come back to our browser, and I would like to download all of these places and then import them to Google Earth. So I don't like to open each map. For example, I can click on this one, and this one, and then check all of these in multiple tabs. But if I would like to export these search results and import them to Google, I will be able to find them all pinned on my map. So I'm going to scroll down and then click on Export as KML. And then I can open this file with Google Earth. And this will mark or pin the areas that I were able to find with OpenStreetMap, which I think is very helpful. So you don't need to open each URL and zoom into it. You can just use one map and then check every single place mark.